Hi, my name is Martin, and today we're going to talk about how to create a classroom on GHM Academy. Now, you can create this from the free account or a paid account. It's not an issue. GHM Academy permits you to create up to 10 classrooms, with each classroom containing up to 40 students. So let's get to it. It doesn't take very long, so off we go. So we're in the main page of GHM Academy, which is the bookstore. This is where you can purchase or basically use lessons that are free, or look at the lessons that you want to share with your classroom. So the way to create it, you go your classroom, you go to menu, and then you press on classroom. And then from there, I have already created 9 of them. Remember, you can only create up to 10. I will create a 10th one. So you just basically press on new classroom, and I will call it Martin 2, which is my second classroom I don't have. I will also allow sign up. In other words, this code is the code I give to my students to be able to log in so that they will be put in directly into this specific classroom. Now, if I want to, I can also share lessons. This is a free version of GHM Academy. So I will share with them something about 9/11, and then I basically save it. And there you go, it's done. My classroom is created.
And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.